Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about MMRDA Recruitment 2021. Before we get in, here are some basic details and basic information that you have to take note of and be well aware of. Starting off with the organization name, it is Maha Mumbai Metro Operation Cooperation Limited, which is also called as MMRDA. The post names are Assistant Manager, Station Manager, Chief Traffic Controller, Senior Section Engineer, Section Engineer, again Senior Section Engineer under Civil Branch, Section Engineer under Civil Branch, Senior Section Engineer S&T, Section Engineer S&T and Supervisor. Now, please be well noted of the post names and the vacancies which are opened according to the qualification, as we are going to further look into. The total number of vacancies are 127. The notification release date is on 9th of January 2021. The closing date is on 8th of February 2021. The application mode is by email and the job location is going to be in Mumbai. Here is the official website. You can check out the official website as of if you want to know more information regarding the post. And the vacancy details are as follows. For Assistant Manager, there is only one vacancy opened. For Station Manager, there are 3. Chief Traffic Controller, there are 2. And for Senior Section Engineer, there are 17. The highest is for Section Engineer, which counts up to 67 vacancies. The Senior Section Engineer under Civil Branch, it is 4. Section Engineer under Civil Branch, there are 5. Senior Section Engineer S&T, there are 9 vacancies. Section Engineer S&T, there are 18. And for the Supervisor, there is only 1 vacancy. Moving on to the education requirement. For the post of Assistant Manager, degree or a diploma in civil engineering is required. For a Station Manager, the requirement is bachelor's degree or a 3 years diploma in electrical or electronics or electronics and telecommunication or mechanical or electrical and electronics or electronics and communication. For Chief Traffic Controller, bachelor's degree or a 3 years diploma in electrical or electronics and telecommunication or mechanical is preferred. For Senior Section Engineer, degree or a diploma in electrical or electronics and telecommunication or mechanical or electrical and electronics or electronics and communication is preferred. Moving on to the Section Engineer post, the education requirement is bachelor's degree or a 3 years diploma in electrical or electronics and telecommunication or mechanical or electrical and electronics or electronics and communication. For the post of Senior Section Engineer under Civil Branch, the candidate has to have a degree or a diploma in civil engineering. For Section Engineer under Civil Branch, degree or a diploma in civil engineering is preferred. Moving on to the next post, which is Senior Section Engineer S&T, degree or a diploma in electronics and telecommunications or electrical and electronics or electronics and communication or applied electronics and instrumentation. Then for Section Engineer S&T, degree or a diploma in electronics and telecommunication, electrical and electronics and communication, applied electronics and instrumentation, applied electronics and communication, or industrial electronics or power electronics. So the difference is here, this is the post for a Senior Section Engineer S&T and this is just a Section Engineer S&T. So the post education requirement varies for each of the posts. The last one is Supervisor post. For this, the requirement is a bachelor's degree. Moving on to the age limit. Age limit again is differing for each of the posts. For Assistant Manager, it is 45 years. For Station Manager, it is 41. And to the end, you can see the dates which are mentioned so that you can know as to before which date your age falls into. For Chief Traffic Controller, 42. For Senior Section Engineer, 61. It is the same for Section Engineer, Senior Section Engineer under Civil Branch, section engineer under civil branch, senior section engineer S&T, and section engineer S&T as well. But for the post of a supervisor, it is 40 years is the age limit. Moving on to the pay scale details. For the post of an assistant manager, we have 7th PC pay scale, which is falling under rupees 56,000 to 1,77,000. And for station manager, the same 7th PC pay scale, but under S15, which falls into the category of falling rupees 41,800 to 1,32,000. It is the same for chief traffic controller as mentioned here. It is 7th PC pay scale under section of 15, rupees 41,800. And for senior section engineer, it's the same 7th PC pay scale, but under the section of 17, which is rupees 47,600. For section engineer, it is section 15, which is rupees 41,800. For senior section engineer under civil branch, it is falling under section 17, which is rupees 47,600. And the rest of the post has the same category, which is 7th PC pay scale under section 15, having the salary range between 41,800 to 1,32,300 for the post of section engineer civil branch, senior section engineer S&T, section engineer S&T, and for supervisor. For all of these posts, the pay scale level and the section level is the same. This is the selection process. The officials are going to conduct an interview to select the eligible candidates, and here is the link of how to apply. The same link will be headed down even in the description box as well, so you can check it out and get the direct access of the link to apply. Furthermore, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications regarding this, you can place them in the comment section below and we will answer your queries. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos.